today Jon Dylan and Maya are gonna show you how to clean the pool tiles.
We are cleaning them super hard, so Dad can give us a badge.
What do you need for that? You need a brush, right?
Anybody who if you guys have a pool like us, you can also clean it. Clean a spa. If you have a spa too, you can't have a public pool. They clean it.
But you have to, yes, clean your own pool, or you have to hire someone to do that too. All right, show us how to clean the tiles, please.
Okay, first of all, you need a brush. Second, you need to brush the dirt away.
All right, thank you for cleaning the pool.
It's all spotless and clean.
Ready to swim.
If you're
And Maya is still working.
Comment pool if you have a pool. And you have to clean the spa too.
Yes, Maya is cleaning the spot.
So
Okay, guys.
Bye guys. We hope you enjoyed the video of cleaning the pool. And
Bye.
see you in our next video. We hope.